welcome to Algebra 2 flipped video number 2, and we are taking a problem from Unit 1.5, and which is talking about the application of equations in real life situations. Okay, and so with these problems, the key is to write down all of the information that we have already in a table, and then we're going to express it algebraically and solve for our unknown. Okay, so our problem reads, Ted and Jeff plan to leave from church at 9 a.m. and to go camping, but Jeff was delayed until 9:30, so he left 30 minutes after Ted. By driving an average of 8 miles an hour faster than Ted, Jeff arrived at the campground at noon at the same time as Ted. What was the average rate of speed for both Ted and Jeff? So we know that distance equals rate times time, okay? And a lot of times you see these problems in physics problems, all right? So we can express that Ted's rate of time, we'll call it RT, rate for Ted, okay? We don't know what that rate is. However, we do know that that rate, whatever it is 8 miles an hour slower than Jeff was traveling. So we can call Jeff's rate RT plus 8. He's going 8 miles an hour faster than Ted because they arrived at the same time, okay? So that's rate. We know our rate. What is our time? Well, we know Ted left at 9 and he arrived at 12. So we know his time was 3 hours. We know that Jeff left at 9:30 and he also arrived at 12. So we know that his time was 2.5 hours. Okay? Using this information, we know rate and we know time, we can figure out the distance that both Ted and Jeff went, and we can set them equal to each other because they went the exact same distance. Okay? So the distance equals rate times time can be applied this way. The distance that Ted went is 3RT, and the distance that Jeff went is 2.5 times RT plus 8. Okay? Now, setting them equal to one another, we can solve for rate. All right, we set them equal to each other because they went the same distance. All right, so we'll distribute this 2.5. All right, and we'll just isolate RT. Okay, we'll solve for RT. So the rate here, so it's 0.5 equals 20. The rate at which Ted is traveling, if you solve for R, is 40 miles per hour. Okay, so Ted is traveling at a rate of 40 miles an hour. Well, we know that Jeff is traveling at the same rate of Ted plus 8. So Jeff is traveling at 48 miles per hour. And that's why he is able to get there at the exact same time. Thank you for joining us. Join us next time for another math flip video.